Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to make these star earrings. These are perfect for any Christmas party, or you can just wear in your daily day-to-day work or any other places that you would like to see. You can make it in any color, but I've used white over here. Today's video will be very quick because I already have a tutorial of how to make this star. I will paste down the link in the description box. Please follow the same pattern. What you just need to replace is with the yarn instead of a crochet thread. So in that video I have used a worsted weight yarn. In this one, if you want to make it as an earring, you will use size 10 crochet thread, and in the tutorial video I have used 5 mm crochet hook, but in order to make it into an earring you will use 1.5 mm crochet hook, and you will see the different size star can be created. Just follow the same pattern, and you will need a jump ring and fish hook to be attached in order to make it into an earring. So if you like today's video, do give me a thumbs up and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting. For the star pattern, do follow the link in the description box. Thank you.